Yeah, why not just go to a diner? That's very strange. Oh, that's freaking cute. I gotta come back and take some pictures. I'm just trying this director's cut just for the first time. It's kind of funny. You can see my reaction and stuff because I've never been in here before. Okay, so this is some sort of cafe. That's interesting. You can sit down, pretend you're in Paris. Run this. Oh, oh, that's adorable. It reminds me of my little sister, Clem Fandango, in England. Yeah, she's become a little sister to me. Anyways, look at this. This is freaking crazy. What the heck? Okay, horse. Oh, I just found the perfect spot to lay my coat down. Oh, there's nobody in here. It's dead. I have the place to myself. So, take a selfie with the horse. Lemonade stand. Selfie studio. It's nicely set up. I like it. But yeah, it looks like because I don't really have any other. Oh, I have that handle. I had the handle for the car to record me driving, but I left that at home. But yeah, that would have been an excellent selfie stick. But there's only so many pictures I could. We'll see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Shit, I hope we don't get a copyright strike around this. Yeah, this is kind of weird. It's just generic music anyway. I won't get a copyright strike, I don't think. Hopefully not. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I think we got everything. Oh, this one. Oh, I think I missed this one. Yeah, cute. Duck themed. Oh, this one. Lover's bench. Then we're back to here. Anyways, folks, Trev, monthly missions here, signing out in Iron Falls, January 31st, 2026. Just thought I'd try this director's cut. Let me know what you think. Give me the thumbs up if it's cool. If it's cool that I do it, I don't know. I might not try it again. Give me the thumbs up if it's cool. If you guys like this director's cut. Every once in a while, I might try it out if you guys like it. Thanks for subscribing, everyone. Really appreciate that. Love you guys. Love you all. Trev signing out for Monthly Missions. Take care, you guys.